rush, nickel-style defensive line in there. You don't have Jenkins in there. They're going to be stunning. They're going to be moving back and forth.
Nom nom.
And get a pretty good game.
Eat it.
Raiders, though, have come in with their
that's good stuff.
So this will be
You like that meat?
For Tom Cable as he looks for his first win ever. And the Jets will try to ball.
Is that good? Yes.
Russell decide on that.
Oh, he's getting pieces off of it, Daddy.
Yeah. 103-89 into the game. Russell, quick throw incomplete. Trying to hit the slant to Javon Walker.
Is that good?
That one thrown almost too quickly.
Huh?
Is pressured by Hank Poteet, the defensive back coming on the blitz, but they were all up at the line of scrimmage, and now comes number 11.
You're crazy. I love you.
Oh, gotta turn around and watch the football. Oh, give me a bite. Nom 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 nom. Gotta turn around and watch the football. Nope, gonna have a bite.